In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to your eBay account smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned print-on-demand seller or just starting out, linking your Printify account to your eBay store can open up a whole new world of possibilities for your business. Let's get started by logging into your Printify account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate the Manage Stores option. It's usually found in your account settings or dashboard, so take a moment to navigate there. This is where you'll have the ability to connect and manage all your sales channels in one convenient place. Click on Manage Stores and look for the option to connect to eBay. Once you see the connect button for eBay, go ahead and click it. Next, you'll need to authorize Printify to access your eBay account. This is a crucial step because it allows Printify to integrate with eBay, enabling seamless product syncing and order management. You'll be prompted to log into your eBay account if you aren't already, and then you'll follow the instructions to authorize access. This is typically straightforward, but be sure you are choosing the eBay account you wish to connect with your Printify store. Remember, this authorization is necessary for the systems to communicate with each other effectively. After authorization, the next step is to sync your Printify products with eBay listings. This is where the magic begins. Printify facilitates this by allowing you to choose which products you want to list on eBay. Take your time to select the right products for your eBay audience, as this can greatly impact your sales. Once you've made your selection, follow the prompts to complete the synchronization. This process ensures that your product details, including descriptions and pricing, are accurately reflected on your eBay listings, streamlining your sales process significantly. With your products now synced, the final piece is to manage orders directly through your Printify dashboard after sales start coming in. This is incredibly convenient as it allows you to track orders, manage shipping, and ensure that your customers receive their products in a timely manner, right from one central location. Keep an eye on this dashboard to monitor sales performance and order fulfillment status. It's a good practice to regularly check your dashboard to address any issues that may arise promptly. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Printify to eBay, allowing you to expand your selling capabilities and reach a wider audience. This integration can save you time, reduce manual effort, and ultimately help you grow your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your online store. Thanks for watching and happy selling!